Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Misola. Nigeria don witness another electric problem as the national grid don collapse again. Na dis one make am the 6th time wey national grid go collapse for dis new year 2024. Dis collapse happen dis early momo today wey be Monday around 3am when cock never crow. Na 4,000 megawatts of electric Nigeria dey generate for im citizens wey reach 200 million across the country. Dis megawatt no dey reach to use as national grid continue to collapse sake of say dem no give am enough gas and some other problem wey dem talk say dey cause the kasala. Na just electricity distribution company JEDC confirm dis report inside the statement wey dem carry come out for dem consumers. Na Dr. Friday Elijah wey be head of corporate affairs JEDC confirm dis report as e talk say dem go try their best to see say dem sharparly find solution to dis problem so that their customers go quickly get light. Dis full tori dey inside Punch newspaper for today. Nigeria controversial crossdresser Idris Okuneye wey everybody know as Bobrisky wey court sama 6 months inside prison sake of say e abuse naira, do naira anyhow, don dey share the same cell prison with other male prisoners for inside the Ikeja custodial center. Na Justice Abimbola Awogboro wey dey Federal High Court Lagos sama am as e talk say dis one go teach other people wey dem dey do naira anyhow lesson. Dem say na same way dem dey treat other prisoners dem dey treat Bobrisky, no preferential treatment as English people dey talk am. One of the oga warder wey dey work for the prison yard but wey no wan mention im name talk say dem check Bobrisky body well well and confirm say na man im be, as e be say na everything wey make person be man full im body, no adjustment, no realignment of gender or genital organs as dem dey talk am. The oga warder talk say na inside court Bobrisky confirm to everybody say im na man. Na after dis confirmation dem allocate cell for am with other prisoners. Dem give am bed space. Dem say the place be like boarding house and na since then Bobrisky dey follow every rules and procedures wey dey inside prison. Dem talk further say Bobrisky no get any special treatment, although dem no dey allow make prisoners dey abuse themselves, but nobody dey give Bobrisky any special treatment. Dem no allow homosexuality. The only time dem fit give prisoners single cell isolation na when the prisoner get communicable disease. Dis full tori dey inside Punch newspaper for today. Nigerian police don arrest the leader of one chance robber for Abuja wey attack one pregnant woman and cause the belle to come down. Na PRO for police force Olumiyiwa Adejobi bring dis one come out yesterday for im social media handle X. Adejobi say e use wool spanner to beat the woman until the woman get miscarriage, and na since 8 years ago the woman don dey try to get belle before dis one chance robber come beat the belle comot for im body. Adejobi say im matter don dey for court already before dem arrest am for dis same offence again. Dis full tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper for today. All Progressive Congress APC for Ganduje ward of Dawakin Tofa local government area for Kano State don suspend their party national chairman Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje from the party. Na their ward legal adviser Aliyu Gwanzo announced dis news to journalists today for Kano State. Gwanzo say Kano State government accuse am for bribery. Dem say the offence dey too serious, that's why dem suspend am, and na until he clear himself for the allegation before dem go take the next step. Dis full tori dey inside Leadership newspaper for today. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC don talk say dem don invite more celebrities wey dem suspect say dem dey spray money and do anyhow for Owambe. Dem say dem don dey investigate dem and if possible carry dem go court. EFCC say dem don direct their special task force to dey arrest anybody wey abuse naira and make anybody wey dem catch be scapegoat. Na Dele Oyewale wey be spokesperson for EFCC yarn dis one to journalists for Abuja as e tok say video don show where some Nigerians dey abuse money and dem go deal with all of dem after investigation. Report show say na after dem arrest crossdresser Idris Okuneye wey everybody know as Bobrisky before court come sama am 6 months jail without option of fine sake of say e abuse naira. Nigerians come begin dey bombard dem with videos wey show where most of di celebrities dey abuse money for owambe. EFCC say dis one show say Nigeria pipo don dey wake up be dat. Now dem don begin dey investigate some of dem. Some dem don invite for interrogation. For dis reason, EFCC go dey investigate and prosecute anybody wey dem catch dey do naira anyhow. Dis full tori dey inside Daily Trust newspaper wey come out today. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.